Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yesterday I actually did my first ever live stream where I baked some cookies for my food and nutrition class. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who just showed up for the live stream for a few minutes and chatted with me in the live chat thing where some of you asked me some questions and I answered them. And it turns out one of my viewers is actually in a whole different country, which is kind of shocking since I only would think that only people in my country would be interested in what I make, but the fact that someone else in another country is interested in what I make, I just find that very interesting, and I had no idea. So it was just fun to talk with you all, and it went pretty successful. At max I had 6 viewers, I think. So thank you all for coming to that live stream, and it's actually, the whole thing is up right now as a video, so if any of you didn't watch that and you want to watch it now, you can. So recently iOS 14 came out, which, if you don't know, it's basically the 14th generation of Apple software for their iPhones and iPads. So the thing about iOS 14 is that it adds some new customization options that only people like Android users had, not iPhone users, like adding widgets to your home screen, which I have a photos widget on the first page, and then I also have a weather widget on the second page. So I don't like having that many widgets because I like having my apps. And then, as you can see in the app library, is where I have all of my other apps. And the reason why I have so many apps in the library and not actually on my homepage is because on my homepage I wanted to have a little aesthetic. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like a style that someone has. So my desk has a fall vibe. A lot of my tech is actually the color black or gray, like my camera or my iPad or my iPhone. And then, so on my home screen, I wanted to have sort of colorful, playful home screen aesthetic. So that's what I chose. So for a lot of the apps that I made the app icons different, I just chose stuff that Apple already had. And then for a few of them, I did my own, like for Marco Polo. Instead of just having the beach ball logo, I put the beach ball in the ocean with waves. I just thought that was something really cool that I could do. And then for Fiverr, I have a laptop for editing, even though I don't have a laptop for editing. I still like that. My banking app just has a $sign. Spotify has a music logo. My Soundcore app for my earbuds has AirPods on it. Google Chrome has the internet logo. So I just liked personalizing it with a ton of different colors that Apple includes. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to go into shortcuts. Did I delete it? Oh, here we go. Okay. All shortcuts. So you want to press plus and then add action. Then you want to go to scripting, open app, and then you choose which app you want it to open. So which one? I guess, how about for, which one that I don't already have one for? How about Starbucks? So you choose the Starbucks app, or whatever app you want to do. Then you choose next. You name it Starbucks, or whatever app it is, and then you press this icon. And then it'll bring up the color chooser, so I'll just pick that green. And then there are some symbols that you can use for that app. So this is where you can customize your icon. So I believe there is a coffee icon that I can use. Here we go. Done and done. And then press on those 3 dots for that shortcut. Then 3 dots again, then press add to home screen. Make sure that the icon and the name for the shortcut is what you want to appear on your home screen. And you go to add, and then when you go home, you should see it right there. And so when you press it, it does take you to Shortcuts app, and then it takes you to the app that you made it like go to automatically, which may sound confusing. Sorry about that. But there you have it. Now you can customize your app icons just the way you like it. So there's another cool feature that you can do, which is adding widgets. You just go to Edit Home Screen, and then in that plus button, you can choose a whole different kind of like widgets, and then you can choose the sizes of them. Something else really cool that you can do is actually called back tap. So I have double tap to take a screenshot, and then triple tap to activate Siri. So the way that you do that is you go into settings, then you go all the way down to accessibility. Now touch, scroll down, and then you have back tap. And so you won't have these automatically on, so you have to go through these settings. Then you can choose double tap, and then you can choose what happens. So I just have screenshot. And then for triple tap, I have Siri. So I suggest that you try using on the back taps if you have a thin phone case. If you have something like a pretty thick OtterBox, they might not work as well, and that's why I chose my thinner case right now for the back taps to work. So I just find that a really cool feature. So that's it for this tutorial on a few ways that you can customize your home screen and make your phone have its own special aesthetic. So only iPhone 6s and over got this update, and even then you may not be able to use features like back tap, but hopefully you will be able to. If you want any more iOS 14 videos, I will probably be doing more of those, so you should subscribe if you want to see that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.